Hi everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. We have just been trying to get through Christmas and all the Christmas things, so we're done Christmas things. I scratched myself a little bit here, of course. I am on my way to run some errands because tomorrow we are going to Great Wolf Lodge for the night. So that's going to be super fun. So I have to pick up just like water bottles and other stuff. I have a list. Can I remember that list that's in my head? I don't know. We'll see. We need snacks. I think we need stuff for the house. We need like eggs and milk, just like staples. The car's also trashed. Yesterday we went to Winterfest Wonderland. I'm going to do a review for you guys in the next vlog, because that was interesting for all of us. So I'll definitely review that for you guys, and I'll let you know if we go again. I don't know. Wait for the next vlog. I have a lot to say. It's going to be a good one. But anyways, I have to go to the grocery store now, pick up some food. We're okay with gas. We don't need gas. And then I have to pack up for Great Wolf Lodge. It's going to be super fun. I'm excited. We're going to have lunch in the a gingerbread house. They have a gingerbread house there for the Christmas season, and tomorrow's the last day of having reservations for it. And I just got really lucky. Like, I went on the website. I'll tell you guys how to book it, because it's not even like advertised very well. I randomly saw an Instagram post and I was like, oh, that's so cool. I didn't even know there's a gingerbread house there at Christmas time. Well, you have to, like, if you go on the Great Wolf Lodge website, like the Niagara one, there's like, it's something called like something winter wolf, I don't know, something to do with winter. And if you scroll down, then it tells you that there's a gingerbread house and you can book it, and you book it via Yelp. I have to download the Yelp app, create an account because I don't have one, and then I was able to book the times. So I'll let you guys know the experience, because I have done a little bit of research since there was no information really provided. I did do quite a bit of research of like, what's the food, what's the pricing, and all that stuff. So I'll let you guys know all that information, so you know if it's even worth booking for yourself for next season, because apparently it's every year. Who knew? I didn't know. I had no idea. So I'm really excited to try that out. Okay, let's go to Metro, maybe the dollar store. I kind of want to get something like a new little toy surprise, which I know Christmas was just here, for Dylan, as just like maybe like those little bag things, like doorables or whatever they're called, just so like if we're having a coffee and she's being annoying, I can just say, chill out, here's this. Mommy and daddy need quiet time. So I'll see if I make it there. If not, I have to go to Metro anyway, like I said that 100 times, not to get lunch for everybody, because it's 11 and the fridge is not looking very good. So let's go. Shopping all done. God, it's cold. I didn't wear a jacket, obviously. I hate jackets. Anyways, I forgot I have a wagon in my trunk, and I just shoved all the groceries in between the wagon stuff. Also, I didn't bring any grocery bags, so I just have to like just somehow make lots of trips, but whatever, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not going to the dollar store. I'm just gonna pick one of her toys. I mean, she got so much stuff for Christmas. I'll figure it out. Also, I'm not going to the dollar store because groceries were $160. For what? I don't know. Insane. I picked up a little bit of lunch for Dylan, just like those like pre-made pasta things with bolognese sauce. Yum. And I got Derek and I sushi. Honestly, I love Metro sushi. Like, out of all the grocery stores, Metro sushi is so good. And Longo's has really good sushi too. I love it, and it's decently priced. Anyways, I gotta go home now. So yep, I'm gonna start packing. I have to pack up Dylan, myself. Derek can obviously pack himself. I have to pack just like those like little random things, like her floaty obviously for swimming, and then in the evening we're gonna do the bubble party. So I'm going to bring our own bubble wand instead of buying a new one, because the new ones there are $30 and we have a bubble wand, so we will bring our own. Excited? It's your little toy there. I don't know, baby. I think it just stands. You have everybody else in there. Hi. Cool, right? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are at Great Wolf Lodge today, and we are having lunch in the Gingerbread house. It's so awkward, I love it. Okay, tips, because I already learned something before. You have to book this house, this like the Gingerbread house thing on Yelp. It's on the Great Wolf Lodge website. Then it tells you to download the Yelp app, and you have to download it, and then you're able to book it. Breakfast from 7 to 11 a.m. It's part of the buffet from like 11 till I think 3 or 4. It's a la carte from the restaurants that they have here. They bring you a menu, and then from I think 4 or 5 till I think 11 p.m. it's again back to their buffet style restaurant. So we ordered our food. I got a burger. There got fish tacos. Dylan is having a good time. Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
Want to say hi? Hi. Dylan got her chicken tenders with fries, so we're just waiting for our food. It's super cute in here. The little train goes by. Super cute. And there's a $25 fee. The fee is part of like a donation. It goes to whichever charity they're supporting, and they do this every year. Who knew? I had no idea this even existed. And this year's, what's the charity? I think Food Bank. I think Food Bank is the charity this year. So we'll keep you guys posted. Another tip. Apparently, if you go on Yelp in like June or July, you can start booking this then for Christmas season, because it apparently sells out. We're here right after where like kids are going back to school, so there were 2 options available for today, so I was like, let's just book it. It is what it is. But they sell out very, very quick, so something to keep it.
Dylan, hi, hi, can you say hi? Hi. Yeah. Nothing like living on a farm. Yeah, mommy's gonna book another one. But only if we're going to get our ring. The main co-star. Dylan, is that fine? Whoa, oh my gosh. Sorry. Violence on the leg. Her legs are like good job.
What did mommy forget, Dylan? Your sleeping sack. Yeah, it's in your house at home. Okay, guys, I want to show you a room tour of the like basic room. The family suite, I think. It's like the cheapest room you can get. So here you have your bathroom, you have your toilet and your tub with a lot of towels. You have like a little hanging section. You okay? Good. Do you need help? Okay, try again. Up. You got 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. There we go. You good?
I'm doing crazy stuff.
You're doing crazy stuff. I know. Please be careful. Here you have your hanging, like, whatever. I can't speak. I'm really tired. You're safe. And then your sink from the bathroom is actually out here. You have soaps. And inside you have, like, you know, your conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. We have 2 beds. I think they're twin-size beds. They don't provide any bed railings. Keep that in mind. I forgot her sleep sack, so I think she's just going to sleep with me today. We are going to figure it out. One thing that just a friendly reminder that they changed is they took away the microwave. So if you want to microwave anything, you have to go to like a communal room where they have microwaves. You have your little coffee pot, little mini fridge. Yeah, they don't have a microwave here anymore. They took it away. Isn't that silly? Yeah, I know. Yeah, the microwave will wake you up. Yeah. And then you have more hooks, storage, TV. And then you have the sofa. It's a sofa bed, so it does pull out. So it does fit like 6 people, a good family of 6. We're on the main floor. So our view is actually of the building that where the water park is. Just kind of funny. So we walked all the way around to get to our room. Yeah, that's about it. Very cute. We just ordered some room service. We got pizza, wings, and then we're gonna go to the bubble party. Are you excited? Yeah, Dylan's on vacation. When Dylan's on vacation vibe, she's crazy. Sorry, I just dropped it. We're also watching Rebel because Paw Patrol is the best. And I forgot her sleep sack, so either she's gonna sleep with me or we will figure out something. Hold on, baby. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Do you want to sleep with Mama?
No.
You want to sleep in your own bed?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, guys. We will talk to you soon. I'll let you know how the pizza and, well, the food here is really good, so it's probably going to be really good. Okay, bye. That's the scary green one you're gonna get?
Where are you?
That's a good one.
It's gonna jump out and scary.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hello. Hello. We just had wings and I think I burnt myself with the sauce, which is really embarrassing. Like how spicy is the sauce? But fun fact, I always share my tips on how to save money when you go to places like this. So we brought our own bubble wand from the dollar store. We bought it last summer. Super cute. I was like, sweet. We don't have to buy one from here. We do. Anyways, so we have to buy a room now. So it's $30. Reindeer? Those are wolves.
Oh, outside there's no reindeer?
Oh. So now we have to go buy a bubble wand because the one that we bought from the store was broken. Okay, bye. Here is our $30 bubble wand. Yup. So Dylan chose a penguin. You chose a penguin. Is this so cute? It's pretty awesome.
Ow!
Look at our little bubble. It's okay. It's just a bed. It'll dry.
Yeah, it's only funny.
Hey, party. Weird.
In a very deep policeman type voice said, Mortimer B.
Show us your teeth.
Smile nice.
My turn for what? We're gonna pop up, you have to hit him on the head. You wanna play? Yeah, not your head. Okay.
Not your head. Which one do you want to play?